Yeah, it has been showing like everything that we have renovated is totally up to what how we wanted it and how we needed it to be. Obviously, Esteem as said has and had us so much in getting us to know that how we want it to be, because we just know things that okay, we want it like this or we want it like that, but how it is going to look in actual after renovation, that is where ST's help was required. So yeah.
I think I will go with my wife. It's the kitchen area, which is like the most, we have to spend most of our time here in the kitchen. So yeah, it's a kitchen thing that's like that's the reason we started with the renovation, because there was a lot of space and potential was there. So like we were earlier we were living in Schofields, so we were trying to be there in like the same kind of area, and we were looking for a big land size and everything, where we can explore ourselves as well. So we thought, yeah, after coming here, thought yeah, there is some potential.
Yeah, and we also looked at some very like built houses, which were quite new, like 4 years old, 5 years old. But even if they are newly built, there is always something that you want to change in that house, and that you will think that that this should have been like this and that should have been like that. So we were like, if we have to any which ways make any changes, then let's take our older house and get it renovated totally as per how we want it to. Yes, there is a lot of cost benefit to it, especially after once we have renovated and moved in here, and we see how much the houses are getting sold for after renovation if someone else is selling it. So that is quite high apart from how we bought it and then we did the renovation. So yeah.
So before coming to you, we have then gone through other biddings as well, and we have got a quote and everything. So the main thing was that the price should be reasonable, because we bought this house, and then there were so many things that we need the breakdown and everything, all of these details in the code. So that was missing, I would say. And the conversation with you, the communication with you was pretty good. So that's why we thought you should go ahead with it.
I think we reached out to you even before putting our deposit
So yeah,
on this house to know that if we can do it, and you did how, if you remember, you told us to get all the inspection done in place before going ahead with anything. So that's the bit of personalization that no one else puts into the process, that taking care of the clients even if before they are your clients. They did provide solutions, and they tried to keep us updated about how things are going, and just told us that how things work in construction industry and everything. So yeah, it was managed quite well. I love it. Yeah, we love it. And in fact, our 2-year-old, she loves the kitchen as well. So yeah, she spends most of her time here. So even when we are not here. So yeah. We are recommending it like Esteem, and how renovation is something that people should go for. And in fact, we have told some of our friends, but not everyone is in that headspace that they want to go through the labor-intensive process of waiting till the time renovation is completed. So that is something that people need to know, that if that hard work you are putting in there, that's paying in some other way. Yeah.
Thanks, Allianz, for everything what you have done. Especially, I'm going to recommend you for my neighbors everywhere. And thanks for all your support.
Yep.